Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and one topic that comes up almost in every one of our workers' compensation cases is the question, is during the time that the injured worker is recuperating and being treated but not actually at work, they're off work per the instructions of their authorized treating physician, is their job protected during that time period until they can come back or until a decision is made that they can come back? Well, there's so many factors here at play, and some of the considerations that we have to when analyzing this is what's the size of the company, meaning how many employees. Certain federal laws apply to companies that are of size that meet the requirements. For example, if you have worked a certain number of hours within a given 12-month period prior to being injured and your company is large enough, the Family Medical Leave Act may apply, and that could help to protect your job during that time period. It doesn't mean you're necessarily going to get paid but under the FMLA. It just helps to protect your job. There are other factors that are also into consideration here, but please keep in mind in Alabama we're an at-will employment state. The company can make business decisions as it needs to in order to run its business. So during that time period, they could temporarily replace you or permanently replace you, just depending on the facts, depending on what the needs are of the company. There are other factors at play. There are other laws that play here. There's a group of laws called retaliatory discharge that fall within the Alabama Workers' Compensation Act, which means you cannot be fired for the sole reason of the termination is because you're maintaining a workers' compensation claim. There's so many other factors here that really it's a case-by-case, fact-by-fact pattern analysis in order to properly evaluate your situation. If you have those concerns or those questions, please give us a call. We've dealt with it many, many times. 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. We can also be found on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.